soul. Feeling the amber current flow across my mind and warm the empty heart you left so cold. Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let her memory torture me. Whiskey River, don't run dry. You're all I got, take care of me. Yeah, I'm drowning in a whiskey river, and I'm bathing my memory mind in the wetness of its soul. Feeling the amber current flow across my mind and warm the empty heart you left so cold. Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let her memory torture me. Whiskey River, don't run dry. You're all I got, take care of me. Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let her memory torture me. Whiskey River, don't run dry. You're all I got, take care of me.
Well, here we are again, Paul.
That might not have been the smartest song to start with.
Why? It was cool. It was cool.
That's a way to immediately warm up the old voice.
Well,
Oh,
you know,
boy.
we're here to have fun, and that's what we're having. We're here at, well, we're not at Bob Smith anymore.
No,
I keep
we're
wanting
not.
to say Bob Smith. We're here at Carmine's Country Corner, and we're coming out live from my little upholstery shop. And boy, have I been busy lately.
Look at that.
Jeez, I got more work. But anyway, we're having fun. We're going to do a little hour show, and then Kim will rerun this again at 6 o'clock. And hey, I got the sign up.
Look at that.
See, that just made it official. And next week we're going to have more dressing, more, you know, little by little. I'm turning it more into a studio than a upholstery shop.
Well,
At my age, I'm going that way.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Bit of that. We're going to make it fine. Hey, look who's here again.
Oh yeah, Tony.
The ace in the hole right there.
Tony
Somebody behind
Sardo.
me? What?
Tony.
Oh, me?
Tony did
Oh, I'm
upholstery
here.
more years than I did. Tony, what are you doing?
I'm just having a great time. Happy to be here and part of this country band right here. We're having fun.
It's going to be good. It's going to be good. So, you want to do one?
Well, Paul sounded so good. I guess I can.
Paul,
do
you wanna
something.
redeem yourself?
Yeah, come on, come on, Paul, do a couple. Yeah.
You don't do Tonight's a Bottle Let Me Down.
Oh, yeah.
You do that?
No, I don't.
Is it okay if I do?
No, I can swing and do it.
Okay.
You guys want to talk this thing over and?
Well, that's what we usually do. We wait.
We kind of start over a little bit.
Start over
Yeah.
the whole show.
I guess if you want.
Well, are we live now?
Yes, we were live, but it says live again. It didn't say live, and now it says live.
Okay, so assuming the other part, the song we just did, may have gone away.
Or it may be there.
It may be there. So we're just gonna leave it.
going.
We're gonna go from here.
Yeah, we'll move forward.
Yeah.
Always move forward.
You know, I always say with the Wild Country Band, you never know what you're going to get. You know, you don't know who's going to show up or what's going on, but we always have a good time. All right, Paul, go
Okay,
ahead.
so here's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get a long 5 for an intro in the key of D, dog. So long 5. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3. couldn't drink enough to keep you off my mind. Tonight, the bottle let me down. And let your memory come around. The one true friend I thought I found. Tonight the bottle let me down. Well, I've always had a bottle I could turn to. And lately I've been turning every day. But the wine don't take effect the way it used to. I'm hurting in an old familiar way. Tonight the bottle let me down. And let your memory come around. The one true friend I thought I found. Tonight the bottle let me down. Go. Yeah, tonight the bottle let me down. And let your memory come around. The one true friend I thought I found. Tonight the bottle let me down. Yeah, tonight the bottle let me down.
Tonight, let me down.
So I'm not going to be promoting my upholstery business, saying we're coming to you from Sardo Upholstery.
I'll say it then.
No,
we're
we're-
coming to you from Sardo Upholstery.
We're coming to you from Carmine's Country Corner
But you should see
at
my
Sardo Upholstery.
you should see my amp covers, Carmen.
Oh, I know they're
a
beautiful.
thing.
I think Johnny Blankenship has got more amp covers than anybody of mine because years ago I'd go out there all the time to the
Nashville West.
Nashville West. Okay, that could be me. Nashville West to play with Johnny, and I would always have a new amp cover, and our amps were the same size. And he'd say, "Man, I love that. I gotta have it." And through the years, I think he's got like 10 of them or something. Well, you're probably running a close
I
second.
have several, and then there's Cody Bryant's got a few too.
Cody, now his I tuck and roll.
I know, man.
All his are sparkly vinyl with the tuck and roll, and
You
you know Cody.
You just put some wheels on those, and he could enter a car
I know.
show with those things.
Tony, now you gotta sing a song.
Oh yeah,
'cause
we're
we
gonna
got
do a
lot of things to
song.
do.
Hey, we're gonna do a song called "Back When Gas Was 30 Cents a
Love this
Gallon
song.
and Love Was Only 60 Cents Away." Now you do the math on that one. Ask the drummer; he knows. Yeah. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, America was young and strong and brave. But no, didn't have no money. My whole car always needs tow. You were young and fresh as brand new roses, while I was so in love and free and brave. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, and love was only 60 cents away. Pick it, Carmen. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, those sweet magnolias line those country roads. Lord knows we didn't have no money. My whole car had always need a tow. You were young and fresh as brand new roses, while I was so in love and free and brave. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, and love was only 60 cents away. One more time, Carmen. Talk to me, Carmen. G. I don't think I know her if I'd see her. I did my forgetting till it hurt. Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, I didn't know the meaning of hurt. I didn't know the meaning of hurt.
Back when gas was 30 cents a gallon, I was driving a 1959 Cadillac convertible, belonged to my dad. Bought it brand new.
I was pushing a 53 Chevrolet. in
I
those
remember
days.
that, and you and that's
I
about
pushed
what
that car more than I drove it. That's the truth.
Remember we used to pop start them.
Oh, we pop started.
You
all
can't
the
pop
time.
start a car now.
No, we
Yeah.
open the door,
I mean, when you-
help push, and then you jump in.
That's
You gotta
exactly-
help push and hope.
Sometimes it got away from you, and you know.
Paul, what do you think?
What about
Paul
you, Paul?
remembers
Did
it.
you ever pop car start
Oh,
a car?
did I? Oh, yes, sir. Up and down the state.
We're showing our age, folks. They haven't had a pop start a car in 50 years.
We'll let you do it now.
One time I'm going down Chevy Chase. It's a local canyon here in this part of the world. And I'm driving Dad's 59 convertible. I'm 16 years old. I weighed about 14 pounds. The spare tire weighed more than I did. And I'm driving this with the top down. It's a beautiful summer night. And there's one car in front of me, and the red light comes up. And I'm only doing 20 miles, and I was slowing down. But about the time I'm slowing down to stop, there's a couple of girls across the street, and they whistled at me.
Uh-oh.
You know, I mean, I had hair, and I was this big nose and this big Cadillac, and lights everywhere flashing. And they kind of whistled, hey, you know, and I looked over and waved, and I bumped the car in front of me. Right in front of them, and I was already this big. Now I felt this big. You know, I like sunk down behind the steering wheel. I used to look through the steering wheel in that car when I drove that car. I couldn't look over it. I would look. It'd be up here. I'd be looking through the steering wheel. Anyway,
Funny stuff.
we had
Funny
a heck of a lot of fun times,
We had
didn't
fun.
we, Tony?
Yeah, we did.
Do another one.
Okay.
We're
we
gonna
got-
let Tony do a couple here for a while. He does a lot of cool good old songs. I love them.
Here's a real old song. Well, life could be a dream if you would take me up to paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream if you would take me up to paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Play it, Carmen. Said life could be a dream if you would take me up to paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream.
Shaboom,
You would take me up to paradise up above.
shaboom.
You would tell me I'm the only that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Say chaboom, chaboom. Ya la 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 la, chaboom, chaboom. Ya la 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 la, chaboom, chaboom. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Way back, way back. Are there any other songs with the word shaboom in them?
I don't know, and shouted a lot.
Paul, do you know of another song that has the word shaboom?
I don't think I do.
I was thinking about that one time, and I said, I don't think there's another song that they say shaboom. Shaboom's
all the-
we ought to write something with that, bring that shaboom back, the
Boy, we
shaboom.
should.
That's got to
I'll tell you
mean
right
something that we can't
Hey, folks,
mention.
you've been watching the show. I know because the numbers have gone up the past 4 or 5 weeks in a row. They were good back then, but they're getting better. So keep pushing like and share on Facebook, and on YouTube, push subscribe and share.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, like. I'm sorry. Like and subscribe on YouTube, and Facebook is what is it? It's like and share.
Yeah.
I think. Anyway, if you got a computer and you're watching the show, you probably know what to do. So I'm not telling you anything you don't know. I think maybe I'm going to do one just for the heck of it. And then we'll get Paul back up here. Oh, John Palmer had a gig that probably paid him a little more money, and he had to go to Vegas. He's in Vegas right now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so he's doing.
Doing one of those rockabilly things,
Yeah,
right?
isn't that great?
I love that.
I love those. And so he's up there doing that. We wish him a safe trip and a happy time. And so, of course, we haven't seen Dan in a while. My good buddy Dan Hugott.
Dan Hugott.
Dan, I just love Dan. He does everything. In a couple of weeks, he's going to be running the camera and doing the whole thing because my daughter Kim's going to be taking off for 1 week. And but Dan's my ace and the whole guy too. He plays bass, he plays drums, he runs the show. He's so helpful. So thank you for your friendship, Dan. We love you. And he drinks Diet Coke. So good, Okay.
What's in that diet?
That's what I do.
Jack Daniels.
Okay, Kia dog. Blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. Now since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Oh, blue, broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, blue and broken hearted me.
Good song. It's a good song.
I'll tell you why I play so many solos during my songs, Paul.
Why's that, Carmen?
Well, it's because I like to think I'm more of a guitar player than a singer. You know what I'm saying? So I just use the song like to really just to play. You know, I say a few words.
The verses and choruses
And then
are
I
just
play.
to get to the
They
solo.
just to get to my guitar playing, which is what it is. But that's where I'm at. Anyway, so we're having a lot of fun.
Frankly, Carmen, you've just been singing better and better.
Well, I'm
And-
trying.
And I love the new songs, too, that you've worked
Oh,
in your-
yeah, I've been working on a couple of them down there at Knott's. You know what I tell the people at Knott's when they say, hey, sing when I go, I say, I use this place here to rehearse for my show. I do.
You use Knott's as a rehearsal.
Yeah,
That's
I
your
say, I use
rehearsal.
Knott's. I use this place down here. I try new materials, and then I get ready for my show on
Go
Sundays.
down to Knott's and watch Carmen
Well,
rehearse.
You're going to be there a lot of nights.
I'm going to be there Monday. This week, I'll be there Monday, Thursday. I'm in Arizona on Friday doing something, and then I'll be there Saturday and Sunday. I'll be there four nights this week, and I think next week I'm there 5 nights.
Yeah,
They
then-
keep booking it, and they put me with a couple of different guys. So I don't know what they're doing, but I know I'm there. And we're having a lot of fun. Tom's a great artist. Tom Corbin, you know him.
I love Tom.
Tom
Corbin.
can play too,
He's
and he's
great.
got a great right hand.
Yeah,
that
yeah,
rhythm
he's-
thing he does is
He's
spooky.
He's a great
And
player.
he's a good lead player. Plays good mandolin.
Yep.
Good singer. He does the greatest. Tony, this guy does the greatest kind of bluegrass country songs. He keeps coming up with new stuff. I'm learning all
Yeah.
this new material, playing with him. And then, do you know Eric Corset, the big tall guy? Eric Corset, I think his last name is.
Did he come
was
to your
the-
birthday? Your
yes,
big
the
birthday
guy
party?
with the.
Yeah,
flower
he's
hat.
good
Great guy.
entertainer.
He's good.
He was good friends with Johnny Blankenship for years, and I would always go out to Johnny's big birthday bashes he would have, and Eric would always be there. And so then we meet again at Knott's, because he's one of the guys that does it. So I work with him 2 nights a week, and I work with Tom 2 nights a week.
He
And-
played at your birthday party, Carmen.
yeah, he came to the
A
birthday
lot of
party.
talent.
Oh, well, yeah, we had a lot of great people. We'll have a lot of people on May 81st, too. We're going to have a big party, and everybody's
right.
going to show up. All right, so Paul,
Yes.
hit me.
Okay. Key of A. She thinks I still care.
Oh, God, I love that song.
Well, just because I asked a friend about her, just because I spoke her name somewhere, just because I rang her number by
mistake today. She thinks I still care, and just because I haunt the same old places where the memory of her lingers everywhere, just because I'm not the happy guy I used to be, she thinks I still care. And if she's happy thinking I still need her, then let that silly notion bring her cheer. Oh, but how could she ever be so foolish? And where would she get such an idea? Just because I asked a friend about her, just because I spoke her name somewhere, just because I saw her, then went all to pieces. You know she thinks I still care. Oh, and if she's happy thinking I still need her, then let that silly notion bring her cheer. Oh, but how could she ever be so foolish? Tell me, where would she get such an idea? Just because I asked a friend about her, just because I spoke her name somewhere, just because I saw her, then went all to pieces. You know she thinks I still care. She thinks I still care.
Okay, Dan.
Very nice, Paul.
All
Good
right.
job. I love that song, George
It's a
Jones.
great song.
I think many people did that song, but did George have
I
the
think-
big hit?
I think George had the big
I think he was the guy that delivered the
George
goods on that one.
Might have even had the first version of it.
Yeah, great singer.
Beautiful.
How much time we got? I don't know what to do with my clock. Kim's gonna tell us in the bright light out there.
Your clock's right there, Combs.
Oh, I didn't see it. Well, I still can't see it. Put it where I can see it. It was.
Attach it to the mic stand.
Yeah, it was right there in front of me, and I couldn't see it. So where's she gonna put it now? What do you want me to do?
It's right there.
Okay. Anyway, it's 11:31. Oh, we still got a half hour to go. We're having fun. Hey, Dan, where you going today, Dan? You got to go to Pomona. What's going on there?
He's got a gig.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anybody we know?
No.
No.
It's at a brewery.
Oh,
Take your
okay.
Coke with you.
Something like Old Town Brewery.
Oh, that's
something
cool.
Like that.
Good. Were you playing bass or drums?
Not bass.
What are you playing, drums?
Bass.
Oh, bass.
Yeah.
You know, Dan's a really good bass player.
I know.
You know, Paul?
I know. I can tell he's really good by my lack of gigs.
Yeah, he's been getting them all.
They want all the gigs.
How you like that? And drum, he plays drums, you know. Yeah, and for a while, he's playing pretty good guitar too.
Oh, yeah.
He was getting pretty sophisticated on it there. You got bored, yeah. I know. I know most guitar players do.
Hence the number of
Tony?
notes.
Tony.
All right, okay, we're gonna have some fun here. Here's a song I was fooling around with at home this morning. When I was when I was a little baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in them old cotton field back home. Now when I was a little baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in them old cotton field back home. When those cotton balls get rotten, you can't pick very much cotton in them old cotton fields back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old those cotton fields back home. Play it, Mark. When I was a little baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in them old cotton fields back home. Now when I was a little baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in them old those cotton fields back home. Play it, Carmen. When those cotton balls get rotten, you can't pick very much cotton in them old, those cotton fields back home. So it was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old cotton fields back home. In them old, those cotton fields back home. Pretty fancy picking there, Carmen. I liked it. Paul, what do you think about that picking?
I thought it was okay.
was decent.
I like the drum groove.
Oh,
Yeah.
the drum is tight. Drum's tight.
That's
Very, very nice old train beat you got back there.
So, we're coming to, here we are, next door to Bob Smith Toyota.
Next door. Right next door to
Right
Bob.
next door to Bob Smith Toyota. We are right here, and all the stuff you see in the background is all my tools and materials and things I need to make a living. And we're having a lot of fun doing it. And,
You know what we have? We also have a beautiful view of the mountains.
Oh, God, the mountain.
oh, yes.
Kim, can you show people what we're looking at here? What do you think?
And there's a,
This
there's
is,
a,
I mean, it's really amazing.
there's a cloud sitting right on that
I
one
mean, it's
mountain
too bad
right on
about the
top.
giant telephone pole.
Well, that's okay, you know.
But, you know, that's...
I get to
That's-
look at this all day when I'm working. I look
Yeah.
out the door and it's just
It's
beautiful.
beautiful.
Yeah.
We're right here in the mountains.
We're in a pretty part of the world, I
We
always
are.
say.
We are indeed.
Perfect, Kim. Thank you. Good job. She got the mountain.
So that's what we're looking at. I like that.
So what are we up to, Paul?
I don't know. Let's do in the key of A,
So far, so good.
Dark Hollow.
Oh,
So Tony, the first change is a real quick 5. Down to A to an E to an A. Then after that, it all makes sense.
Okay, thank you.
1, 2, 1. rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be in some big city in a small room with a girl on my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back.
Got it?
I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be here alone knowing that you're gone will cause me to lose my mind. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Guitar solo. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and to know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Everybody wants to hear Carmen one more time. I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to see you another man's darling and to know you can never be mine. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Yes, I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back.
Get the little wah-wah pedal
All
in
right.
there, folks.
Very nice, Paul. I liked it. Good stuff.
I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, all my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. That old dog bite, and people there would treat you fine. That old dog bite, and people there would treat you fine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. And I'm going out on that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. I'm going back to Houston, gotta go back to where I came. Going back to Houston, going back to where I came. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my brain. I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. I'm going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind.
Good song, Tom. Moves right along.
We got through it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, how much time we got? We got about enough time for 140. Paul,
Yeah.
hit us.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. You do that's Tony. Do another one.
Well, all right.
Do another one. Come on. I'm running the show here. Do another one. You do whatever you want. There we go. That's what I
Ricky
want.
Nelson. Little help from Paul. Well, I used to play around with hearts that hastened at my call. But when I met that little girl, I knew this time I'd fall. Oh, little fool. Oh, yeah. I was a fool. Oh, little fool. I was a fool, oh, yeah. Now she hung around and teased me. What a carefree dead or alive. She held me close and kissed me, but her heart was full of lies. Oh, little fool. Oh, yeah. I was a fool. Uh-huh. Oh, I was. Oh, she hung around and teased me with a carefree little lie. Filled my eyes so full of love, didn't know her lies. Poor little fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. Play it, Carmen. Well, I played this game with other hearts. I never thought I'd see the day when someone else would play love's foolish game with me. The poor little fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. Uh-huh. I was a fool. Oh yeah, poor little fool. Oh yeah. I was a fool. Uh-huh. I was a fool. Oh yeah, fool.
Ricky Nelson.
Ricky Nelson.
Huh? Ricky.
Ricky Nelson.
Well, I didn't say Willie, I said Ricky.
No, you said Ricky.
Ricky Nelson.
Ricky Nelson.
Love Ricky Nelson. Our good friend John Beelan played guitar for him for quite a while.
All right, that's right.
After James Burton.
Yep. And our good
And
friend
many
Steve Duncan
others.
played
Oh,
drums
yeah, he
with
was
us
his
for a
drummer.
long time too.
Stone Canyon Band or
Yep,
something.
yep.
That was a good group. Had a lot of fun. Okay, we've got about another 10 minutes. We're going to do a couple more. We're going to go because I got somewhere I got to be too. I got to go out to Phil's house. What are you doing? He's going to Pomona. What are you doing?
Going back home,
Go back home and
I think.
just
I think I'm going back.
clean
Oh, yeah.
up. So what do you got?
Oh, me singing? Yeah, I got something right here. Let's do Bye Bye Johnny.
Okay, Wiki.
This is what happened to Johnny B. Good after Johnny B. Good.
Want to dance it like he did?
Keep
Yeah.
coming.
Yeah, up the way.
Where we at?
Yeah. Key of A, right?
Yeah,
Hey, okay, hey, all right.
Well, she drew out all her money from the Southern Trust to put her little boy on a Greyhound bus, leaving Louisiana for the Golden West. Down came her tears from her happiness. Her own little son named Johnny B. Good, gonna make a motion picture out in Hollywood. Bye bye, bye bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye bye. Bye bye Johnny, goodbye Johnny be good. Well, she remembered taking money from gathering crops and buying Johnny's guitar at a local shop. Long as he would play it by the railroad side, he wouldn't get in trouble, she'd be satisfied. But she never thought there'd ever come a day like this when she would have to give her son a goodbye kiss. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny be good. Like Johnny be good. railroad track. So every time they heard the locomotive roar, they'd be standing and waving at the kitchen door. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye-bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny. We go. Well, she finally got the letter she'd been dreaming of. Johnny wrote and told her he had fell in love. Soon as they were married, he would bring her back, build a cabin for her by the railroad track. So every time they heard the locomotive roar, they'd be a standing, waving at the kitchen door. Bye, 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 bye. Bye-bye, Johnny. Goodbye, Johnny. Be good.
Bring it home.
Bye-bye.
Great
know what?
stuff. Great job.
We're gonna call it a night.
Okay.
Right now. I love you. We'll see you next week. Don't be late. Push those like buttons. Put those share buttons. Cause Dan's got to kind of get going, so we're gonna call it quits now. Love you. See you next week. Bye.